Plasterboard comes in multiple sizes, thicknesses and types. Here's what you need to know to buy the right thing first time. The default is 2400mm by 1200mm at 12.5mm thick. This is what most merchants stock and what the majority of jobs use. The width is designed to work with standard stud spacings at 400mm or 600mm centres, so the board edge always lands on a stud. It's not a coincidence, the whole system is designed around it. If your ceiling height is above 2.4 metres, go longer, 2,700 metres or 3,000mm. Sheets avoid a horizontal joint mid-wall. Fewer joints means less finishing work. The trade-off is weight and handling. 12.5mm for walls is rigid, hard and takes fixings well. 9.5mm for ceilings, lighter and easier to hold overhead while fixing. There's also a 15mm and 19mm for specific fire, acoustic or structural application. To calculate how much you need, calculate your total area in square metres. Each standard sheet covers 2.88 square metres. Divide your area by 2.88 and round up. Add 10% for waste. A single 12.5mm sheet weighs around 25 to 30 kilograms. If you're buying more than a few, get them delivered. Standard wall job, 2400 by 1200 at 12.5mm. Ceilings, 9.5mm. Wet area, moisture resistant. Get the type and the quality right before you order and you won't be making a second trip.